Hi, everyone. In today's video, I want to share my personal experience using CashASAP, an FCA-regulated short-term loan provider, and explain what I learned so you can make an informed decision. Section 1. Why I looked for an FCA-regulated lender. A while ago, I needed a small loan quickly. Before applying anywhere, I made sure the lender was FCA-regulated. That's important because FCA regulation means the company must follow strict rules, treat customers fairly, and be transparent with fees and repayment terms. That's what led me to CashASAP. Section 2. My experience using CashASAP. When I first visited their website, what stood out was the clarity. They showed the loan amount, the repayment date, and the total cost up front. No hidden fees. The application process was simple for me. I entered my personal details, my income and expenses, and then connected my bank for verification. Their affordability checks were strict, which I actually appreciated, because that's exactly what an FCA-regulated lender should do. I got a decision within a couple of minutes. In my case, the funds arrived the same day. It wasn't instant, but it was quick enough for the emergency I had. What I really noticed was how clearly they explained the repayment schedule. Before I confirmed anything, they showed me the exact amount I'd repay and the timeline. I also received the same information by email. Section 3. Repayment and customer support. Repayment was smooth. The money was taken automatically on the agreed date, and there were no extra charges added. One thing I tested was their customer support. I reached out with a question about adjusting my repayment date. They replied quickly and gave me clear options. They didn't pressure me, and they reminded me of the potential impact on interest. Again, part of FCA rules about treating customers fairly. For anyone thinking of using them, I'd say this. The service is straightforward, but it is still a high-cost credit product, so it should only be used for short-term emergencies. Section 4. What you should know before applying. From my experience, here's what to keep in mind. They will assess affordability seriously. You won't be approved if it doesn't look manageable. It's not designed for long-term borrowing. Only borrow what you can repay in full on the next payday or the agreed date. Check the total cost carefully. Even FCA-regulated loans can be expensive if misused. Use it only for genuine emergencies. It's not for everyday spending. Being FCA regulated means they're transparent, but it's still on you to borrow responsibly. Overall, my experience with CashASAP was positive because everything was clear, fast, and regulated properly. If you decide to use them, do it with full awareness of the costs and your ability to repay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make an informed decision.